Hey guys, Zach here from Move Outdoors, and on today's video, me, my brother, and my dog Winny head to Pheasant Valley Farms in eastern Pennsylvania for a little pheasant hunting action. Getting the dog some work. She's been doing good on game lands, but I don't take the GoPro because you never know when you're going to kick a bird, and the GoPro normally doesn't last the whole hunt. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the footage. Winnie, reel it in, girl. You're working a little far. Where is it?
Oh, there it is.
Good shot, Brandon. Where's Winnie?
I believe she's on it.
Did you see where it fell? Oh, I see Winnie.
Somewhere back in the corner.
Bring it here, girl. That was a good shot. Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Yep. Right here. Give it to Brandon.
Winnie! Winnie, bring it.
Good girl. Come here. I know you want to look for more now. Come. Here. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And good shot, Brandon. Drop. Drop.
That would be my first pheasant.
Good shot.
Winnie!
Winnie, sit. Sit.
Kill the gun while I put it in my bag. Safety's on.
She's on one. Her tail's going like crazy.
Oh, there's one right here in the grass. Winnie! Down here! Winnie, out in front of you. There you go.
Go get it.
Get it. It's not flying. Good one.
I have 2 rounds. That's it.
The first one went out of my range too quickly.
Hopefully that second one landed where we can shoot.
I hope so.
Winnie, come. No bird.
I think I heard one second.
Yeah, but you didn't kill it. Winnie, no.
Winnie, no.
Come.
Nice.
That was way too close, but it was going to get behind us. Good girl. Hey. Hey, I want it. Good girl. Can I have that?
Got one, get it.
She's acting very birdie.
Yep, there it is.
Good girl.
Who got that one?
One of us. I don't know.
I think I might have.
I think we both hit it.
I know I hit it on the second shot, but I think you hit it with a shot right before I did. Besides, either way, we're just going to split the birds 50-50 at the end.
Yeah.
Winnie, bring it! Here, make her bring it here.
Winny, bring it.
Oh, it's still alive.
Yeah, she's killing it.
And then she's playing with it. Good girl, bring it!
Winny.
Hey!
Right. Right here.
Good girl!
Girl.
Hey. Good girl.
I say, you want to hold on to that one?
Yeah, here.
Yes, there you go. How much are they?
Not too much. I think they're only like 300.
That's not bad.
She found one. Get ready.
There it is. Get it, Winny.
It's going to be holed up at the end of the field. Oh. Yeah, and it went out to the middle of the other field, I think. I saw it fly, but it was way too far to even try.
People are just chill. That was plastic bag there.
See, she smells a bird in here somewhere. She might be on it.
Yep, there it is. There it goes.
Good girl! Good girl! Bring it here. Can I have that? Drop. Good girl! Good girl!
Now give me your gun.
Safety's on.
Okay.
So that accounts for 6 of them.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. As you can see, we got 5 birds down. It was a great day for me and my brother. Me and him got some exercise, got some good shooting in. My dog did some excellent work, and it was just a great time overall. If you're considering a pheasant hunting farm in eastern Pennsylvania, I highly suggest Pheasant Valley Farms. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Move Outdoors.